Alright, these are the Rivue Tower elevators at the Galt House Hotel, Louisville, Kentucky. Starting in the elevator because the front desk is right there. But man, these things fly.
Fourth floor.
We'll go to 2. Wow, this thing flies. This thing's fast. My ears are already popping.
Second floor. Going up.
Apparently 25's locked. But yeah, it looks like the modernization's actually complete of these things. These used to be Otis and Murphy. These are Murphy, I think. They just came in and modernized these. Oh, and these things have actually underwent like 4 modernizations. Or 3, I think, yeah. Wow, look at this view. Holy cow, that's epic. Let me get a pic. The window's a little dirty. Get some still pics. But yeah, it looks like the mod is complete. Every one of them's been modded. Well, let's go down. See which one comes. All right, I'm gonna end on 3 since I got in here from the Skywalk to the Rivue Tower, or Suite Tower actually. But yeah, these things have been completely replaced basically. The cabs are new. They now have Innovation Bruiser. And yeah, these have underwent like 3 modernizations already, which is pretty insane. But here we are at 3.
Third floor.
And that's gonna be it for that.